Hello everybody, welcome to I Like Cruise Ships, the YouTube channel. We're here on Carnival Horizon and we're going to have a look at one of the Deck 2 aft starboard side cabins. This is 2403. This is one of the, I guess it's a Cove Balcony room. I never know these descriptions. We'll have a little bit of a walk around. You'll see you've got the coffee table. We have the pull-out bed here, which is a sofa at the moment. We can have a look here. We've got the nice big queen or king bed. I'm going to have to find out what size they are because I always say, I think I'm saying the wrong size. So just come back a little bit here. We've got the desk. We have the fridge, which we're kind of seeing on a lot of the cabins. If you haven't already subscribed to I Like Cruise Ships, the YouTube channel, click subscribe. You're going to be able to also look through a lot of cabin videos from here on Carnival Horizon. Got the TV on the wall here, and then this is going to be the main thing I think everybody wants to see on this cabin layout is this Cove Balcony. So here we are in Barcelona, Spain. We're actually on embarkation day today. So these cabin dividers are openable. Obviously you've got to have a good neighbor or maybe family or friends. And then this is the view. It's actually it's actually right over a lifeboat as well. So I mean, I don't think that matters. I think the Cove Balcony sort of intended that it's kind of that lower level. It's not quite waterline, it's a few decks above the waterline. But yeah. So there's a nice space here. There's a couple of chairs, there's a table. There's a little bit of walk around space as well. Let's come back in and look at the rest of the cabin. To get an idea of the space, hopefully. We've got the bathroom here on the right. We've got the air conditioning right there. And then we've got the traditional bathroom that we've seen on quite a lot of other Carnival Horizon cabin videos. Shower gel shampoo. That washing line right there that retracts over. And then we see the bathroom right here. There's that magnifying mirror. Of course, we know what the toilet looks like. We've seen that. And let's swing around here. We've actually got the 3 wardrobes on this cabin, which is nice. So you've kind of got the full hanging, then you can actually split the second wardrobe as a half hanger. And then we've got the third wardrobe, which allows for the shelves and the safe, which is sort of built in. Safes are coming fairly standard now on all ships. Thanks everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to I Like Cruise Ships, the YouTube channel. I hope you've enjoyed this walk around of a Cove Balcony cabin here on Deck 2 on the Carnival Horizon, and have a nice day.